I'm Deandra, Didi, call me whatever you want to call me. Right now looking like a whole auntie. So this is the final look.
On the beat is IK.
Hello, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, ways to see you. I'm Deandra, Didi, call me whatever you want to call me. I do natural hair videos, makeup videos, and vlogs. So if that's the type of videos you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I, Deandra Ferguson, upload another video. Okay, let's get into this video, guys. So as you can see, my skin is glowing. I'm glowing. But this isn't going to be a skin video. Actually, I want to do a natural hair video, so I want to do a cute little style for all year. Right now looking like a whole auntie, right? But I'm gonna change. A whole auntie, a whole tanty, you know, a little bonnet. Oh, and before I forget, y'all can check out our Instagram page, which is me and my sister's business page. It's called Afro Beauty Essentials. Y'all can check it out. We have new arrivals, so if you're interested in a bonnet like this or even more, y'all can check out our Instagram page at afrobeautyessentials.tt and place all your order. We even take pre-orders, so if there's a specific color you'll want, right, we will try our best to find that specific color and make up on it for you. I find that sound like a plan. So y'all could head out to, well, check out our Instagram page at Afro Beauty Essentials, again at afrobeautyessentials.tt, to see what we got. And in the future we're gonna have some more things. We are building ourselves pretty slowly since we are a small business, so we kind of building really slowly and learning in the process, you know. So it's a process, guys. It's a process for us. So but we would really love for y'all why my voice sounding like that? But we would really love for y'all to support our business, you know, support our business at Afro Beauty Essentials. Follow our page, like our pictures, you know, see what y'all like, and y'all can place all the orders if you're interested. So again, at afrobeautyessentials.tt. Enough of that advertisement, right? So as I was saying before, I want to do a really nice natural hairstyle. It's nothing new. Y'all seen it before, but I just want to make it look cute, right? I just want to make it look cute. I have never done it on my short hair before, so I just want to see how it looks on my big head. So yeah, so I'm going to do this video, and you know, you can just see the whole process. So without further ado, guys, let's go. Hey guys, this video is way overdue, but we're getting at it. So I'm going to use my woolies. I'm going to use my clips, my hair clips. Yeah. I'm also going to use my ecostyling gel. This is the first time I've ever used the black ecostyling gel, which is horrible, so I wouldn't recommend it. My pink brush, my rat tail comb, my hairpins, which looks horrible, and yeah, and now I'm going to remove my bonnet. Y'all can see my cane rows, my ratchet cane rows. Yeah, I'm going to unloose my hair and get my hair ready for styling. So how you guys been? Just want to know, lately I have been overwhelmed with schoolwork, so yeah, this is why I'm really late with this video, because this video was supposed to be uploaded last week, but you know, life. So yeah, my afro is all out, guys. So I'm going to part my hair in the middle so that I could start with styling. Now, I know people usually use two mirrors to see like at the back of their heads. I particularly don't do that. I feel my way through, like legit. I could literally feel if my part is in a straight line. If it isn't, I would just go back in with the comb and fix that all up. And most of the times, 99% of the time, I am precisely right with my patterns. No lie, I'm precisely right. So I particularly don't do that because I find it's a lot of work. So now I'm starting off with this side of my head, and I'm taking my big teeth comb and combing it through so that the style would not be rough. You know, when I put my gel and my products in, it will pass through my hair smoothly, you know. And guys, don't take on how I comb it through my head. That's just how I do it. That's just how I do it. So yeah, now I'm doing like a small part in the front because I wanted some hair in front of my face. So I am gonna, well, what I'm doing currently on the video is like parting a small box so that I could have like this cute little curly piece of hair in front of my face. It looks really cute, you know. It's just to add a little zest to the hairstyle, you know. So I'm parting that and I'm plaiting it in a twist so that I could get it out of the way, so that I could style the bun in my hair. And now I'm going in with some water. Now I didn't use my spray bottle because it had my apple cider vinegar mix in it, so I just wet my hands with water and put it around my head, the perimeter of my head, so I could continue with my gel, my black gel. Now the reason why I don't recommend this black gel is because, bruh, this thing had my head flaking, it had my hair itching, it had my hair feeling all types of way. It wasn't doing it for my hair. When I tried to like curl little pieces of my hair like that didn't feel right. It just didn't cooperate with my hair. So I know for sure next time I'm not going to buy this gel, but the only reason why I bought it was because it was the only one available in Pennywise, sadly. So yeah, I'm taking my brushing through my hair, and I'm going to put that in a one with my woolly or scrunchy, call it whatever you want to call it. So yeah, one scrunchie down, second one is to put it in a bun. Roll that piece up, girl. And then I take my second woolly and I put my bun in there. And yay, we have our cute bun. That was super, super cute. And I take the hairs at the back of my hair and curl it, the back of my head and curl it, mainly because the hair at the back is shorter than the front. So, you know, that's the reason why I do that. And yeah, I just love it because I love my curls. So yeah, I would do a hair update once I can because I have a lot of work to do. So my consistency levels would be extremely low. I really wanted to do a lot of natural hair hairstyles, but school comes first, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna do my edges as per usual. You know, gotta get them edges in there. And this is what I was talking about. I literally use the black gel to try and curl that front piece, and was an epic fail. Literally was an epic fail. So I took my eco styler. I took my edge control, and I let that just did what it needs to do, you know. So, and it curled way better than the black gel. So I just used that instead, and I used my clips to clip in front of that, so that, you know, I could spice up the hairstyle just a little bit. And this is basically the hairstyle, guys. I'm going to do the next side, but I'll try to like speed up the process just a little bit faster, you know. Going back in with those edges to fix it up, and one side is cute. I'm gonna fix the other side now. So I'm gonna go through this in steps, right? Step 1, combing through your hair with a big T-comb. That is step 1. Step 2, wet the perimeter of your hair, of your head. Wet around your head. Step 3, use the gel that isn't too good. That gel not good. It not good all year. It not. Step 4, part a small box in front of your hair so that you can curl it later. That's step 4. I'm taking really long with this stuff. Oh my god. But guys, let me know in the comment section if you all have ever tried this hairstyle in your head. No matter the length of your hair, have you ever tried this in your hair? Step 5, brush through your hair. And step 6, put that baby in a bun with 2 scrunchies, 2 willies. Do whatever you want to do, baby. Right? So yeah, I'm going to put my hair in a bun as well. And yeah, use my woolly to fix it up and everything. Now this side was kind of a challenge because the bun wasn't equal, so I literally had to use 2 woolies for the bun part. Like, one side does always look better than the other side, but me ain't complaining. I ain't complaining. Oh, step 7, curling the front part in our head. That is step 7, using our edge control to fix up that part and curl. Step 8, recomb. We use our clip and we place it in the front of our hair, and we all cute. We're all cute, guys. We is all cute. Oh, don't forget the sides, don't forget the back, don't forget to curl those parts. You do you, baby. Ooh, also let me know in the comment section, what is your curl pattern? What is your curl pattern? Let me know. Step 9, do them edges, baby. Do them edges. Gotta do them edges. Come on. Place them edge control upon those edges. Do what you gotta do. Let's go. Let's get it. Boom. Boom. Sleek. And we're finished. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll come back, guys. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the hairstyle right now. Kind of like it, kind of don't like it. My head looks really big, right? But it's still kind of cute. So yeah. So I'm going to do my makeup and then I'm going to come back and we're gonna see how everything looks together. I won't be changing my clothes though. That's too much of a look. So yeah. Feel like the hairstyle. Comment down below how y'all think the hairstyle looks on me. If my head looks even bigger with this hairstyle, comment down below, let me know. I want to know because I think my head looks bigger, but you know, hairstyle's still kind of cute. So yeah, let's do our makeup and I'll come back. So this is the final look. Yeah, it's pretty simple, you know, really easy to do, really cute, you know. Oh, and I did a TikTok video on this look, so y'all can check out my TikTok. It's the Beauty House 2, right? I'll put the clip at the side, or probably, you know, after this while I'm saying this. You know, I be so confused sometimes, but you know, that's life. But yeah, I'll insert a clip of this TikTok video on the makeup look. Well, on the TikTok video on this makeup look, and y'all could check out my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok again at the Beauty House 2, right? And yeah, that's where I'll be doing more makeup videos and probably hairstyle videos as well. So check out my TikTok. But yes guys, this is the final look. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you all are interested in natural hair videos, makeup videos and vlogs / lifestyle. I forgot to mention that in the beginning, but vlogs / lifestyle videos. And yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos, and you'll be notified every time I, Deandra Ferguson, upload another video.